Hi, my name's Elias Bojacki. I'm a marketing consultant for the Illinois Solar Education Association. This video is being made to provide you instructions with how to best edit your solar tour video for this year's 2020 Virtual Solar Tour for Illinois. Everything I'm showing you in this video is applicable to all video editing software. However, for this tutorial I will be using iMovie, so it might be different depending on the software you use to edit your video. I also want to note that this is a basic tutorial, so I will only be going over the bare necessities for editing a video. So without any more introduction, let's begin. So after you've uploaded the video footage to your computer, what you're going to want to do is open up your video editing software and create a new project. The way I'm doing this in iMovie is it's indicated by this gray plus box on the screen. So I would just click that and then it will ask me to create a project, and then I can title it, and then I'll be ready to begin. Once you're ready, then you'll open up your project. Now you're ready to open your video project, and as you can see here, I already have a video in my timeline. This is where all your video footage is going to be going. So however you get it to your timeline in the software you're using, do that. Now what I'm going to do next is select my clip. As you can see, it's highlighted yellow, which means it's selected. And then what you're going to want to do next is right click and then click on split clip, or it's Command B sometimes, and this is using the blade tool to split the video clip. So now that that's done, before I move on, I need to upload another video. So I'm going to go up to File, and I'm going to go to Import Media, and then it's going to give me a selection of videos I can choose from. I'm going to select the video I'm going to import from my device, and then I'm going to finalize the import, and there's my video at the top of the screen next to my original clip. And now that I have this new clip, I'm going to highlight it yellow, and then I'm going to click and drag it to where I originally split the original clip that I use, and it's going to magnetically kind of do it for me. And there we go. So the last thing I'll show you is if you have multiple split clips in a video and you want to drag it to a different place in your video timeline, you simply click on that clip you want to drag over to the new selected area, and that's how you can create edited transitions, and it can change the pace of your video and things like that. The other thing to note is that if you want to delete any of the clips because you don't need that footage anymore, just select it and click backspace, which is how I typically do it. So yeah, there you go. Now once that's all done, all you have to do is export your clip to your desktop and you're ready to send it to us. So thank you. Once again, this has been a video tutorial for basic editing for your virtual solar tour video. So we hope you have found this helpful.